Christmas Eve, 5 a.m. and I'm shooting today's Vlogmas episode. Obviously, welcome back. Yesterday, I told my girlfriend that I'm shooting a video. I made my girlfriend not take any pre-workout on leg day. And she totally believed me. She thinks we're shooting a video. She's not taking caffeine or pre-workout, but that's only because she's been saying she needed pre-workout and a good protein. So I figured I would give her the Christmas gift, part 1 today. So I got her a Ghost Shaker Cup, Ghost pre-workout, and Ghost protein. So she has no idea. I wanted to make sure she didn't take pre-workout so I could give this to her. That way she can take it on leg day, see what it's all about. And yeah, should be pretty funny. I don't think she's expecting it, and she'll take it to the dome. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, welcome back to the video, guys. Merry Christmas Eve. Hope you guys have a wonderful day whenever you're watching this with your loved ones. And yeah, let's go ahead and see how she reacts. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the shaker cup for her right now. She's already running late, so I can already tell there's no pre-workout. It's kind of getting to her, so she should be pretty relieved. Ran a little late.
I had to wash my hair. I wanted to cut my nails, but I didn't have time.
So wait. So no pre-workout today, right?
None. Look. No shaker cup.
We can already tell the effects of the no pre-workout.
Really?
Running late. Freaking yeah. But hold on. I need to get your freaking impressions of the no pre-workout life. So how is the no pre-workout life?
Well, I haven't feel it yet. My body instantly wakes up at 3:40, anywhere from 3:40 to 4:40.
Yeah.
Still look up. The only difference is I would just be chugging my pre-workout right now.
And you're not?
And I'm not. So we'll see. I never work out without pre-workout.
You never do. Well, we can't make today the first. And me being a good boyfriend, I got you some pre-workout.
Really?
Except I didn't have tape for the...
But I can eat it today?
I didn't have... That's why I didn't want you to take pre-workout. I didn't have tape for
my god, I was so mad. I was like, why is he making me do this?
I didn't have tape for the...
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, babe. You're the best. I was so mad.
I wanted you to try it.
I was like, should I just play him and take some anyways? I was like, no, I can't do that.
No. Take double.
Babe, I'm so excited. Thank you.
Well, I brought you a water so you can take your pre-workout.
Take my pre-workout. I was like, you brought me a water. Thank you, son. I'm not gonna. I was gonna say I just feel a little hungry because I'm typically at least chugging my pre-workout.
Yeah, you get something in your stomach.
Oh my gosh, babe, thank you so much.
Go. You're welcome.
You're so sweet. Okay, so I've never had this pre-workout though.
Yeah, that's why I got you that
You
one.
guys, and he fucking played me so hard because he told me lower body day, no pre-workout. No. That's not even doable, I don't think.
That's not possible. That's cool if Scooper comes up top.
Yes, I'm so excited. Thanks, babe. This shaker cup. You did so good.
You said you wanted a new swaggy shaker cup.
I did. I've been saying that for months. And listen, girls, I don't know. We'll spend all this money on other things, right? And I was like, $20 for a shaker cup? I don't know. And I spent $40 on a spray tan. Why are we like this?
Girl probs.
Alright.
Ooh, okay.
See, so this is my first time trying this one, so we'll see.
First time trying Ghost.
Yeah, anything goes, right?
Yeah. It worked out perfect. I was like, don't take pre-workout. I wanted you to try it out super bad.
Sour Patch. Where did you get this?
In the store.
That one's always sold out online.
Really?
When I went to I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy my shaker cup.
I
wanted to buy that flavor and it was sold.
I had no idea what flavor to get you. I was like, I really don't know if you're gonna like this one.
Oh my god, yes. I'm so excited.
Sour Patch.
So I usually drink the PE Science.
PE Science.
The
And it's almost like a bland, it's like kind of almost flavorless, huh?
Yeah, it's actually, no, it's the weirdest thing.
It has like a faint flavor.
Because I started with the 1-Up, and those are just like flavor packed.
Yeah.
And then when I got the Prolific, I was like, well, this is kind of really, you know what they taste like? All the flavors. They taste kind of like those packets of like, you know, like lemonade that you put in.
Yeah, the light.
Yeah, that's what they taste, because you know how they're like very lightly flavored?
Yeah.
That's what they reminded me of. They're just like kind of like watered down. Really good though.
Yeah, me too.
I like it. I love it actually.
Yeah, I honestly prefer that almost.
Yeah, I honestly prefer like a light flavor. So we'll see.
Yeah, I want to see what the hype is with this ghost stuff. Honestly though, pretty impressed by the can and packaging and everything.
No, it's good. It's not
It's
like,
good? Wow.
yeah, it's not like 1-Up. You know how 1-Up's just like, it tastes like a fucking, sorry.
Like a candy.
It tastes like a juice. Yeah.
It does taste like a juice. Super sweet. Same with their BCAAs. I can't ever finish them because they're super sweet.
Is that the gummy ones?
Yeah. That shaker cup's sick. Dope.
I'm so excited.
It's good. Alright guys, gotta give you guys a quick little outfit check. So starting off with the top, Nike. Actually, let's go bottom to top. So Reebok Nano 8, Nike mid-cap socks. We got the 10,000 interval short with the liner. We got a Nike drop hem tee, longer in the back, shorter in the front, split hem there. Super sick shirt. I've been looking everywhere for it. It's a short sleeve version. Then got the Gymshark hoodie, the Lulu headband. You guys already know. Guys, it's gonna be a good Christmas. Your boy can squat. Check it out. Back's feeling good, depth's looking good, mobility's looking good, freaking hyped. Alright guys, just did my first set of squats, 135. Felt really good. Still, I can tell I haven't squatted in like 3 weeks, and that like my back was funky, but just getting back into the movement felt really good. So we're gonna add weight. We'll see if we can work up to at least 225 today. We'll see how that feels. Honestly, maybe even more, who knows. But still not gonna overdo it. This is my first time squatting in like 3 weeks, so let's get it. 185, feeling good. Also getting used to it because I haven't squatted in flat shoes in a long time. I've been using my lifters. Felt good, man. Definitely feels like I haven't squatted in 3 weeks. The weight feels light, but it's just moving slow. My legs are burning. It can be sore. All right, guys, gonna call it there in terms of like going up in weight. Felt good, but I can still definitely feel that my back isn't like fully recovered 100% yet. Don't want to push it just because it's finally feeling good, and I haven't been able to squat since, you know, since I tweaked my back. So gonna leave it there. Good session. All right, lunges, 110, 10 each leg, down and back, down and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forgot to film it. I'm not gonna redo it because that was absolutely brutal, but hey, the boys lunging 110s, baby, for 10 each leg. Boys' back's getting better, huh? Let's go. Guys, 12 wide stance, straight into 20 close stance, drop the weight, straight into hamstring curls, 15 reps. Legs are fried. Last set of hamstring curls though.
I want to do
Four sets total, just back to back. The only rest is like in between. Oh, legs are fried, but my back was feeling good. I was not expecting it to be this good of a workout, to be honest. I was so tired. So now my back's kind of still not 100%, but it felt good. I will take it. Great leg day. Start off Christmas Eve. That's gonna do it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's episode of Vlogmas. It's currently like 1:30, 2 o'clock p.m. Christmas Eve. I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you guys celebrate, man, take advantage. Be with your loved ones. If you don't, just know there's people out there that love you. Wish them well, and just enjoy your time, guys. Get yourself a nice special meal today, guys, and enjoy the evening. Just relax, do whatever that you guys like to do and enjoy. Me, that's making these videos, editing. Now I'm gonna chill out. Probably play a game of Xbox that I haven't played in months, and I barely ever play, probably because I suck. Anyways, gonna go and shower up, freshen up, because I got a big family dinner later this evening. Be on the lookout for tomorrow, Christmas Day vlog. Vlogmas continued, and then Saturday we actually leave. We're going on a little trip, so I'm gonna bring you guys along all the way until the end of the year, guys. You guys are spending New Year's with me. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys haven't already, click the link below in the description to get you guys a free 3-day little ebook preview of a program that's coming out next year, guys. Just kind of like a Merry Christmas present to you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. Go over to Instagram, follow me there, shots_G. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out the speed.